Hello, I'm Sean. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making another one of the meals from HelloFresh that I got this week, and that is the one pan Santa Fe pork tacos. So I got lemon, onion, cabbage, tortillas, some ground pork that's over here sitting in the sink, Monterey Jack cheese. This does not look like enough cheese for 6 tacos, but I'm gonna make it enough. Gotta make it enough. Alright, so I got mayonnaise, Tex-Mex, whatever that is. It's creamy. I don't know. I'll see. Sour cream. And this is a Southwest spice. So, this should be interesting. I love tacos. I don't enjoy soft tacos really, but, I mean, I like good tasting food, so I'm pretty sure I'll be fine. I think theirs didn't look quite like this, but I quartered it, and that's what they asked. So there's that, and let me go ahead and cut up my onion. This is definitely helping me make those 2 meals a week that I said I was going to do at the beginning of the year. I made a list of goals in January. No, December 31st. I made a list of goals for 2024. And as it stands today, which is today's Valentine's Day, I have done maybe one thing on that list. One thing, which is making sure that my baby says his prayers at night. He's 3, so that's something that we're teaching him. Teaching him how to pray, because for us it's very important. But other than that, like the 2 meals a week, I have not been doing that. Not proud of it. But the truth is, I haven't been doing it. I've been cooking a little bit, but I've also been eating junk. It's like the junk has a hold on me. So I gotta do better. But every day is a new day and a chance to make better choices. So I can't beat myself up about it. I just have to keep going and keep trying until, I find that discipline to actually do what I'm supposed to do. Or what I set out to do. Because honestly, what I'm supposed to do is what I choose. It's what I choose to do. But I want to make sure that I'm making the best decisions. At least, that's what's in my heart. But my body be like, but we want to do this over here. And so that's how I end up eating junk food instead of cooking nice, healthy meals. Fresh food. I'll go to the grocery store and then go to a fast food place. Be like, yeah, I'll cook this later. I'll cook it tomorrow. And then tomorrow turns into next week. Next week turns into next month. And then before I know it, I'm up a few pounds or more. Because I know I need to lose at least 15 pounds just to get back to where I was last year this time. So, but I'm not, like I said, not going to beat myself up. But I do want to hold myself accountable. So, if you can relate, let me know. Let me know. Because it's not always easy out here. Life starts lifing. And then certain things that you set out to do, you just don't have the desire to do them anymore. Because you got other things on your mind. Other things to focus on. I want to say more important things. But I guess that's just subjective to what's important to you in the moment. And our health should always be extremely important, because if we're not healthy, then we can't enjoy a lot of the other things in life that we want to. What good is what good is it that you have all the money or you have all these opportunities, but you're not healthy enough to be able to participate? And Lord knows I don't want to get sick. So I just want to be grateful in the moment for now, for having my health and my strength. And I don't want to take advantage of it the way that I have been. Just kind of taking advantage of, oh, you're getting healthy. You don't have diabetes. You're good, as if that can't happen and will happen if I'm constantly stuffing myself with candy and junk. Alright, these onions are getting to me. I should have put lemon on the cutting board. So here's a trick for people who may not have known. I think running water can help the onions. Why would I do that? Why would I be cutting up onions and then put my finger to my eye? But running water, if you run the water while you're chopping up the onions, that's supposed to help keep it from making your eyes water. And also, lemon. This is like either or. You can take a lemon. Oh, my baby. He's having a little fit. Hold on. You can take a lemon, rub it on the cutting board before you start cutting, and that will keep the onions from making your eyes water as well. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead over to the stove. I want to show the pork. I don't want to be, well, I'm going to cook all this anyway, so it kind of doesn't matter. But I don't want to get it anywhere near my onions. Or my lemon, I mean. But this is the pork. It's for 2. So this is the size of it, which is 10 ounces. So now I'm going to head over to the stove so I can cook it up. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to do is cook up the onions. Drizzling a little bit of this garlic infused olive oil. And I'm going to go ahead and add the onions to the pan. Alright, I'm ready for the pork. Usually I like to get my tacos to be either, like if I'm at a restaurant, I'll order beef or chicken. I'm not sure if I've had pork tacos, but not shredded. I mean, the way I've had it was shredded. Like, that's the only way. But this is ground pork. So this will be a little bit different for me. But I'm very interested to see what the flavor is going to be like. Because I like the pig. Not the whole pig. You know, some people rooted to the tutor. Not me. I like ham and I like bacon. And I like pork chops. I don't like the tutor or the rooter. Okay? Some people eat pig ears. I don't want pig. I don't want that. I don't want the ears, the feet, the inside of the meat. I don't want it. I don't want it. Okay? Even though I'm pretty sure this ground pork is like all of that. That's ironic. But listen, it needs to be like this. I don't need to see it. What is this? It's meat. It comes like this. It grows on a tree, okay? Alright. Let this brown a little bit more before I add in the seasoning. Alright, I added that seasoning. And I'm going to let it cook a little more. I keep having to take like little time away because my baby, he needs some attention. So giving him his attention and trying to do this at the same time. So I'm just going to cook this a little bit more. And then I move to the next step, which is putting it's going to be a coleslaw, basically. Or, yeah, it's going to be a slaw that I'm going to put together next. This is almost done. So this step is to make the slaw. This is the cabbage. It says to combine the cabbage, mayonnaise, half of the cilantro. Let me go ahead and put that in here. That's half. That's about half of the cilantro. This is the mayonnaise. The juice from half of a lemon. Put that down. And what else? The sugar. A teaspoon of sugar. And a little bit of salt and pepper. Alright. These lemons have a little bit of seeds. I don't want to. My hands are clean. Just going to squeeze that. I saw Rachel Ray kind of do it like this. Only, of course, her lemon wasn't in slices. Cut it up into wedges. Alright, that's to catch the seeds. Alright, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Get off of me. Get onto that paper towel. Alright. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Alright, I got all the seeds out. Nope, there's one more, so I don't wanna drop that seed in there. Okay. I thought I had one of those like juicers, a little squeezy for the lemon, but I don't have one. So my hand is the squeezy. And I have arthritis, so I probably shouldn't really be doing it because it kind of hurts. Alright, get this in here. A little bit of salt and pepper and this sugar here. Alright, here's the sugar. It's just a teaspoon. I measured out already. A little bit of salt. And where's my pepper? Here's the pepper. Lord, if this was something else, I was going to be a little upset. Alright, see everything in there. Just going to mix it. Was that enough mayonnaise? Yeah, it was enough. Alright. And then the next step really is to put everything together. They want me to put these tortillas in the microwave, wrap them in a damp paper towel. So that's going to be simple. Very simple. So let me go ahead and put these tacos together. The tacos are done. I'm going to go ahead and take some pictures. Alright, so I'm only about to eat one of these. Ooh. For a soft taco, it looks and smells really good. Alright, I got some lemon here. I'm gonna sprinkle some, squeeze a little bit of juice. Uh-oh, you can't see. Can you see? A little bit of lemon juice. I like hot sauce too, but I'm gonna taste it as is for now. I'm gonna see like they be doing thumbnail. Wait, there's something in the background. Maybe if I, whatever, who cares? To taco. This is really good. I definitely would prefer to have this on a crunchy shell. Let me show you what I got. So I have these spicy jalapeno cheddar heart taco shells. Kind of like the Doritos Locos taco at Taco Bell. This is so good. Now, I'm going to transfer. But yeah, I'm going to do that and then I'm going to go ahead and eat it. But it's really good. I know I already took a bite. These shells. Game changer. They're so good. If you enjoyed this video, comment, like, subscribe, all the things. I'm going to get it together one day and be able to say it like that. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.